Tips and tricks number 17, radians to degrees and degrees to radians. Automatically convert on the TI-84 and TI-84 CE. Our first example, radians to degrees. Convert pi over 2 radians to its equivalent number of degrees. What you're converting to must be the mode, and you can see right now my mode is in radians. So I need to go ahead and convert this to degrees. So I'll press the mode button, and I also want to make sure I'm in float mode so I get all the decimal points. So I'll go down to radians, turn right, and press enter on degrees. And so I've got enter on degrees right here. And then once I have that, I can go off to the home screen, and I need to type a fraction template. Pi is second caret, and this is where I put in the radian symbol, and that's under angle, which is the second apps button, second apps, and radian is the third option there. That second apps is for angle, radians is the third option. So I've got pi radians, down arrow over 2, and I can press enter, and now I can see that pi over 2 radians is exactly the same as 90 degrees, which is what I kind of knew already, but I just wanted to double check that. So again, make sure that you are at float and DEG mode. That's what we want to be able to convert to degrees. And here was our answer. Our second example is rewrite 5 pi over 4 radians in degrees. So again, I will need the fraction template. 5 second caret gets me the pi. Again, second apps brings up the angle, and I need number 3 for radians. So I have 5 pi radians, down arrow over 4. Press enter, and there's the 225 degrees right there. Next example, rewrite 1 radian in degrees. So I'll just go ahead and type in the 1 and then second angle. Number 3 is radians. And 1 radian is a little bit bigger than 57 degrees. Press pause as needed. Degrees to radians, 180 degrees is how many radians? Again, what we're converting to must be the mode. So again, I'm going to press the mode key, and I'm in degree mode, and I want to convert to radians. So I'm going to press enter on radians. And so radians is now my mode. And so I'm going to type in the 180, but I need the degree symbol on it. So it's going to be, because right now it'd be 180 radians, I need to tell it's degrees. So second apps, number 1 is the degree symbol, and then when I press that, I get 3.14159, which you'll recognize as pi, and we can just double check that by pressing second caret for pi and see that those are identical. So 180 degrees is exactly pi radians. So again, reminder, we do want to be on float and radians when we convert to radians, and those were our answers. All right, so how about 150 degrees to radians? So again, I will type in the 150. I need to type in second angle, and number 1 is the degree symbol. And I'm getting this for the answer. And some of you might recognize that as 5 pi over 6. Okay, so let's double check that. So bring up the fraction template. 5 second caret is pi. And then over 6. I don't need the radian symbol here because it's just going to do the calculation and show that those are identical. So 150 degrees is exactly the same as 5 pi over 6 radians. So try some on your own and enjoy.